Want to know how your YouTube video is performing right now? You don't have to wait for tomorrow analytics. YouTube's real-time report shows how many views your videos are getting almost immediately. Here's how to check it. Real-time views is one of the most useful reports in YouTube Studio. It lets you monitor your video recent performance and see whether your latest upload is gaining views during the first few hours or days after publishing. Let me show you where to find it. So first open YouTube Studio. Now go to the content section and select the video you want to analyze. You will land on the overview tab. Scroll down until you see the real-time section. Here, YouTube shows approximately how many views your video has received during the last 48 hours. You can also switch to the last 60 minutes views to see how your video is performing hour by hour. If the graph starting rising, it means your videos is receiving more views during that period. If the graph stays flat, it simply means your video is getting fewer views at that time. Keep checking this report after publishing a new video to monitor its early performance. Real-time views help you understand how your videos are performing shortly after they are published. This report is useful for tracking early activity, comparing the performance of recent uploads, and seeing whether interest in your content is increasing over time. However, remember that real-time views are only one part of your analytics. For a complete picture, also check metrics like audience retention, click-through rate, and traffic sources. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.